Hello everyone, this is my Ranjit, the special guide in English. Welcome to Book 1B8. So last time I have talked about something different in the class. So this time will be a little bit different because last time we have talked about the one letter of the English alphabet and its sounds pronunciation. But today we're gonna learn about two things at a time. Mean two letters mixed together, how it sound like. So let's go for it.
When B consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. B A B, B E B, B I B, B O bo, B U boo. When C consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. C A K, C E C, C I C, C O Ko, C U ku. When D consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. D A D, D E D, D I D, D O do, D U do. When F consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. F A F, F E F, F I Fi, F O fo, F U fu. When G consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. G A G, G E G, G I G, G O go, G U gu. When H consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. H A her, H E he, H I he, H O ho, H U who. When J consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. J A J, J E G, J I G, J O jo, J U ju. When K consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. K A K, K E ki, K I ki, K O ko, K U ku. When L consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. L A L, L E li, L I lie, L O lo, L U lu. When M consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. M A M, M E me, M I my, M O mo, M U mu. When N consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. N A N, N E ni, N I ni, N O no, N U nu. When P consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. P A P, P E P, P I P, P O po, P U pu. When Q consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. Q A qua, Q E qui, Q I qui, Q O ko, Q U ku. When R consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. R A R, R E ri, R I ri, R O ro, R U ru. When S consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. S A S, S E C, S I C, S O so, S U su. When T consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. T A T, T E T, T I T, T O to, T U tu. When V consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. V A V, V E V, V I V, V O vo, V U vu. When W consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. W A wo, W E V, W I V, W O wo, W U wu. When X consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. X is Z, X is Z, X I Z, X O zo, X U zu. When Y consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. Y A Y, Y E ye, Y I I, Y O yo, Y U u. When Z consonant mixed with the vowels, how it sounds like. Z is Z, Z is Z, Z I Z, Z O zo, Z U zu.
If you want to be an expert in your spelling, so practice every day. Practice will make you perfect. If you are not practicing every day, nothing will happen. There will be no change. So stay tuned and being with me and have the notification very early so that you can get the all types of teaching here. So thank you so much.